Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth. Live simple.
Live free.
And it is snowing.
Yep, we got snow.
We got snow. Here we go. Yeah.
Wow. We have probably approaching maybe 5 inches out there. It doesn't snow down here in southern Virginia like it does up there in northern Pennsylvania where we used to live. But as you can see, it does still snow. This is Sunday morning, and in fact, this is the second Sunday morning in a row that church was canceled because of snow. We had about 6 inches last week, overnight Saturday night, and now Saturday night again we've had, I don't know, maybe approaching 5 inches out there. The difference is, in northern Pennsylvania, they had so many snowplows that something like this, by the time you wake up in the morning, all the roads are already plowed and ready to go. And church probably would not have been canceled up there. Down here, they have snowplows, but they don't have nearly as many, and it just takes a lot longer to get the roads cleared. But overall, the winters down here are much milder. In fact, it's about 10 degrees warmer down here year-round than it used to be up in Pennsylvania where we used to live. Down here, when it's in the summer, it's 90 degrees. It's only 80 up there. And so the summers down here are much hotter and more brutal for me. I can't take the heat real well. But the winters are very nice and mild, and we only get occasional snow, and it usually only lasts a few days after it snows. So that's my new environment, that's my new climate, and we're really enjoying it down here. So down here in southern Virginia, I'm still shoveling snow, but it's nothing like what it used to be up there in northern Pennsylvania.
Hazard types: heavy snow and strong winds. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 18 to 24 inches. Timing.
So I'm very happy to only occasionally have to deal with a 5-inch snowstorm. This is no big deal. It's just enough to make it feel like it's winter.
Aha! Oh, she's good. We're supposed to be building a snowman. Oh. Oh, I'm a terrible shot. No. Oh my goodness. Woo.
Carly the Conqueror.
You what?
Carly the Conqueror.
I'll tell you. I did it. Oh no, she doesn't throw snowballs. She throws like snow boulders. Oh, it's all icky on the bottom. Oh, she's good. She's starting the snowman. All right, that's a good start, sweetie. Did you pack it too much, Carly?
Picked it up before I compact it.
I'm gonna start making the head.
Okay.
I'm gonna start making a smaller ball. If I start working on the head, do you think I'm getting ahead of myself? She just moaned. Grandparents are allowed to be really corny. It comes in the job description. Even Grandpa is sometimes.
I think I just got snow down this.
I don't think it was from one of my snowballs because I hardly ever managed to hit you. Well, Carly, what do you think of the head here? It's on the nose and everything.
You got a head start.
She's inheriting the corniness, I'm afraid.
Corny as ever.
There we go. All right, here comes a big old snowman party. Oh, sweetie, it's all fixable.
My snow being.
And you're putting legs on it, aren't you?
Yeah.
I thought so. Oh, my glasses are totally steamed up. Always happens when I'm outside. I know it's chilly.
This has like sandpaper on it, so I can like smooth it down and make it like nice. I don't know.
Yeah, Carly wouldn't do just a regular snowman. It's got to be a work of art. Some kind of real work of art here. Yep.
The bad thing is, these pants are not really waterproof and they're down my pool.
Oh, hun. I've got some waterproof ones if you want to wear them.
Fine.
They'd be hugely big on you, but... Okay, I'm starting to actually form something that looks a little Cinderella-ical. Cinderella... Cinder...
Is that about Cinderella?
Cylinder. Cinderella... What is that word?
Cylindrical.
Thank you. It's amazing what an accent can do. Cylindrical, not cylindrical. Anyway, it's starting to form sort of an arm-looking thing.
Nice.
Here we go. Oh, I like the feet. That's great. Oh, the feet are great. I would have made such a boring snowman. This is awesome. I love it. He has toes. Is that enough of his body that I can start putting a head?
I'm gonna keep going on the body.
Okay. I can't remember the last time that I was involved in making a snowman. My goodness. Would that be an okay foot, Carly?
Yeah, I can make that a foot.
Because you're good.
Just to make it a little more up to size.
So how do you take a snowball that's only 6 inches across and make it into a foot?
Add 12 more inches.
Stick it right there.
That's right. That turns a 6-inch snowball into a foot.
Okay. I mean, okay.
Sometimes things are just too profound. Oh, look, that feels.
See, that's more like 9 inches across, but take that. There you go. There's a 6-inch snowball. Now put it right there. Now you've turned your 6-inch snowball into a foot. No.
Sure.
Should we maybe give him a head first?
No.
What's his name, Charlie?
Frosty.
Okay.
Okay, not Frosty. No. Something like Randall or Steve or something.
Oh, cool. So you're sculpting at his arms now. That's really cool. You just got a little old butter knife and doing a good job. The snow is so dense and heavy, but boy, does this sculpt nicely. It's like an ice sculpture.
It is. It's just a wet ice sculpture.
Yep. There we go. I see he's got a pair of shorts on. He's almost ready for his head.
Yeah.
Cool. I was gonna just do,
Normal snowman.
your basic snowman that goes, big piece, middle piece, little piece, and maybe find a carrot. This is pretty amazing.
Cut a chunk out of his hand.
You what, hun?
I just cut a chunk out of his hand. But the good thing is, if you just go like that, you can just smooth it over and it's fine.
Yep. Easy to fix. Cool.
Oh well. My glove had a hole in it, so I had to have another one.
Actually, I got her some of my my heavy gardening gloves, and they're really waterproof, and they're working really well for her.
Good start.
It's a good start. Yeah, he needs a lot of work. That was sort of my rough head sculpture. I guess we should fasten it on pretty well first. There you go. That gives you enough to work with. Well, we can add more to the top.
I don't really want you to see his face.
Well, can we put the hat back just maybe a touch?
Okay, he has a head.
There we go. He is great. Good job, hon.
There we go.
Yep. You get Carly involved, and you don't just get a snowman. You get
Whatever this is.
a cute little boy sitting in the sand playing. Oh, cool. Wow, hon, that's pretty awesome.
Just with my hands and a butter knife.
That's right. One little butter knife.
And a hat.
And a hat.
And a hat, yeah. Thanks for holding that.
Oh dear. Hey, get that out of his shoulder.
No harm done.
He smoothed back over. I have genuinely enjoyed being out here in the snow today with Carly. This has been so cool, even though I couldn't ever hardly hit her with a snowball. Okay.
Adieu.
Adios. Oh.
What?
Well, thanks for coming along with us today with all this beautiful snow. And thanks for being here today, Carly. So, live simple,
Live free.
Good job.
You didn't do anything.
Love you. You did great, Carly. Love you guys.
You be blessed.
Bye.
We'll see you
Bye-bye.
next time.
Yep.